Here is a state-of-the-art environmental monitoring solution by OIZOM. It's a compact, ultra-low-powered system which can work fully on solar power. It works continuously and sends various environmental data related to air pollution, odor, weather, noise, and radiation. Its patent-pending e-breathing technology makes it highly accurate compared to industry standards. It can do complete gas analysis by monitoring pollutants like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, sulfides, ozone, ammonia, hydrocarbons, and many more. It counts every single particle present in the air sample using a highly accurate laser beam. It is capable of monitoring particulates of various sizes, ranging from 1 micron to 100 microns. A downward-facing Class 1 noise sensor is ideally positioned to capture environmental noise up to 140 decibels from various sources. As you can observe, the top-mounted pyronometer does solar radiation analysis by diffracting the light rays into UV, IR, and visible light spectrums. Most of the pollutants are invisible, but through systematic data collection, they can be made visible. OIZOM is committed to decipher hyperlocal environmental data and redefine natural resources, which are highly essential for our existence on Earth.